Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back with another live trade. I was watching the pound yen dropping all through here, and I have another meter that I decided to take a look at. This is the X meter. Now the X meter is telling me yen is strong and the pound is weak. And see, pound is weak, and you put I like trading the pound pairs, and I put it up against the strongest one. So the meter is actually telling me to sell the pound yen. So this was where we should have been selling. Down here, pull back, and then down here. Now what we have is it's struggling to break the bottom. This is the London close right here. The market is closed. I put in the trade. It automatically put in a 20 pip stop. I know it's going to go sideways a little bit here, and then the pound will start to pick up a little bit of strength, and the yen will start to get a little bit weaker. And when that happens, this will start to go up. So I'm looking to go at least to the goal line minimum. So I got in here because there was a spread also. You have to pay the spread. So there's my 20 pip stop. Shows right there. And it automatically put in a 100 pip target. It was way up here. Well, actually, it was right around here. And then I moved it down to here. I put it right in the middle of this red candle. So it should at least, as the price moves up, it'll hit the goal line here. And as the goal line is coming down, it'll line up with this. Now once I get 10 to 20 pips, I'm going to start managing the trade. Because I'm trying, the London will close after a big move. The pound market is closed. So I'm expecting a pullback. I don't know how many pips, but hey, if I get 10 to 20 pips on the pullback, I'll be happy with that. So I did 6 lots right here, pound yen, and it's just going flat at the moment. So now I'm just, here's the auto stop as I was telling you about, 20 pip stop, and since that news trade where I didn't move my target fast enough, I only ended up with 20 pips. I changed that to 100. This is more set up for the for news trading, but I'm not trading news at the moment. I'm trading the London close strategy. And I'm expecting it to pull back up after the market closed. So the market is closed. And the ADR is 144, top left corner here you can see. Today went 131. Now it's very, very close. So now it can still make one more move down here. So if I get stopped out, no big deal. I will buy again because I'm still expecting a movement back up before the day's done. But this is like a spinning top at a large wick here. I'm expecting it to start to go up. So anyhow, this could take some time, and I'll just put the video on pause. I don't want to make a 1-hour video here. You'll be falling asleep watching it. Okay, I'll report back when I have more news on this trade. Forex Nelson is back, wrapping up the trade. It's 10 after 2, and I do have to run some errands. So I am going to close the trade. I'm up right now over $1,300. As you can see, I just closed the trade, 1301. Not bad for a Friday afternoon. I opened a trade at 11:02, and I just closed the trade at it's 10 after 2. So 3 hours. It went sideways, and I got tired of waiting for it to hit my target. It came really, really close. Plus, I got to run some errands. So I decided to shut it down. And just like my ad says, $300 to $1,000 or more a day. And so today was a good day. Fridays you can trade. The meter in the bottom left side is called the X meter. It's still showing the yen is strong, and the pound, as I said, it was down around 2 or 3, something like that. It doubled in strength, and you need that for the pound, this pound yen to go up. It never did hit the ADR, but that's how close it came. 144, today went 131. So it's about 13 pips close to the ADR. So this is another successful day on this Friday, trading with the pip trigger. I do have 3 pip triggers. Either trading when the market is trending or when the market is range bound. The one you're looking at the moment is the one that I'm using, when it's, sometimes it could take a few hours. After the London close, I saw this move going down, actually all day going down, right from the Asian session back here, right about here, started going down, actually over here. So I knew it was in a downtrend. Now if it's trending, and if I'm selling, then I'll go over to pip trigger. I put these in proper order. This is for when it's, these two could be for when it's trending, and this one is, no, this one here is when it's trending. So you get the blue above the red, below the red, the blue below the red. Then you're just waiting for a pullback, like over here. There's your pullback. This is where you get in. This is your trigger. You're in for about 50 pips. Another one is over here. Comes back to the moving averages. You get the trigger there and there. You're in. You're selling for another 40 pips or $400. But after, very close to 11 o'clock, the pound market closes. So when I see that it's not going any lower, here's the low, not going any lower, the body by at least 5 pips got to close below here. So if it doesn't go any lower, you get in as close to the bottom as possible, which I did not do. But anyhow, I got in within a 20 pip stop, which is good, but it took 3 hours to finally close the trade. And I was using, like I said, number 2 here. So buy low, target is gold, or even the next line. And if I was going to hang around longer, it could even go further, up to here. But as I said, I want to shut things down. It's 2:20 Friday afternoon, and I want to go do other things. Okay, another successful day, 13:01. Very happy with that. I'm going to upload the video to the YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will get these videos as soon as I upload it. You'll get notification. And if you like the pip trigger, please contact me and I can give you much more tips and tricks, like through screen sharing, and answer your questions, and we can talk more about the pip trigger. Just look right below this video, my contact information. Call, email, or Skype me. I'd be happy to show you more. Okay, good luck. Have a great weekend. And until next week, happy trading.